With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear students, here the question is, in an experiment of determination of acceleration due to gravity by a simple pendulum, a student commits 1% positive error in the measurement of length and 3% negative error in time, then percentage error in the gravity will be. We know that time period of a simple pendulum is calculated by the formula t is equal to 2 pi root of L divided by G. Now squaring on both sides, we get t square equals to 4 pi square L divided by G. Now the value of gravity will be calculated by the formula 4 pi square L divided by t square. Now to find the percentage error in the value of gravity, we use the relation del G by G into 100 equals to, as here 4 pi square term is constant, so error in the value of length is del L upon L into 100 plus 2 del T upon T into 100. So by substituting values here, the value of percentage error in the value of length will be 1%. So 1 plus 2 into the value of percentage error in the value of time is 3%. So 1 plus 2 into 3, it will be 7%. So percentage error in the value of gravity will be 7%. Here we must have to note that negative error is always taken as positive for the calculation. So answer will be 7%. It means here C option will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.